egg.
Hi, I'm the bus driver. Listen, I've got to go visit some pals in your other apps, but if you see the pigeon, shake him to make a pigeon story. Oh, here he comes now. See ya!
Shake the pigeon.
Whoa! Stop with the shaking! Ah! Oh, so dizzy. Don't Let the Pigeon Rule the World by Mo Willems and you. Oh, hello. So nice to see you. Funny story. I was just thinking, can I rule the world?
No!
Aw, come on. You know who would let me? Any dentist. No, I promise I'll play House Pigeon's Honor. Ooh, how about this? I'll give you a truck full of chocolate floats.
No!
Come on, please.
No!
Do you have any idea how many pigeons have already done this? 3. Now, I may be rounding up a little. No! What is going on around here? Why won't you let me rule the world? I have needs. Pigeony needs.
No!
It's not like I'm asking you to sit in a room filled with my Uncle Seymour. P.U. Hello. I just want to rule the world.
No!
Arg! Moo! Arg! Oh. Rats! I knew it would never work with someone in charge like you. Nah.
The end.